Slowing down your breath, slowing down your heart rate, coming back to that intention. And then as you next inhale, lift your gaze, gently uncurling the spine. We come to walk the hands back towards the knees. We're going to meet in our kneeling pose at the back of the mat. Inhale to reach the hands all the way up. Exhale, we twist to look over the right shoulder. Inhale, reaching all the way back up. Exhale, we twist, looking over the left. Inhale, reaching the hands back up. So you exhale, palms meet, coming down to your heart center. Closing your eyes, take full rounds of breath here, letting the shoulders drop down the spine, releasing any tension in your face, your jaw. Taking a moment to ground, to connect to your breath.